Okay, Jesse, I want to give you a brief video. I don't know whether I'm going to publish this or not. I have been working on this radio for about 3 or 4 days, just off and on. It's a little AM, FM, and long wave radio. And I've been using the AC cord to power it, and been testing it. And this is the what I'm getting is really bad audio. So I went through the whole audio sections. I've been all over the schematic, and everything I test with the signal tracer, it sounds great on the signal tracer until I get towards the end of the circuit, where on this circuit here, and it's a little bit choppy. The preamp sounds pretty good. It's not perfect. Anyway, so I pulled all these transistors, tested them. I replaced those double diodes, replaced a couple resistors. One resistor was open. But in any case, I was just sure I was on track. And then I just decided on a whim to hook up the DC to it for 6 volts. And the doofus thing started playing perfectly. And so I thought, okay, so there's a problem with the AC circuit. Let me get over here. And there must be a problem with the transformer, or could be a lot of things. Oh, I got it cranked up so it's kind of scratchy, but it's working beautifully on DC. But it won't work on AC. So I tested this, and I'm only getting about 2 volts, maybe 3 volts off of the secondaries, but they're working. They're both the same. And so, yeah. And I noticed that the transformer has a switch. They're supposed to have a switch from 220 to 110, but this one doesn't have a switch to 220, 110. And I thought, it's just like this half voltage. Well, you're not going to believe what I just saw. Here's the back of the radio. Yep, it's a 240 volt radio, 50 hertz. So that's why it won't work off of AC. It's because it's 110 volts. It's not enough to power the radio. Isn't that nuts? So I've never had a strict 220 volt. This is Singapore. It says it's made in Singapore. Yeah. I've never... Isn't that funny? So anyway, once again, we question our assumptions. I never have seen this before, where I was working on just a 240 volt radio. So it works on DC, obviously, because those are batteries and all of that. But I thought you'd get a chuckle out of that after 3 or 4 days of troubleshooting.